Jennifer Stay, and this is Coloring Bliss, and welcome to my channel. That's Rose back there. She's my little art partner. This is an art channel normally, but today we're going to talk a little bit about my favorite nails. I'm putting some on right now to get ready to film some Christmas art, and I thought I would take a little minute here and film how I've been putting on my nails lately. I've been having a lot of questions from my fans. Recently, my favorite line of the Kiss nails has been this Impress line of nails. Let me show you what I'm going to put on today. These are the Impress Kiss nails. They have their own adhesive on the back, so they're super easy to put on. Although I do kind of give them a little boost by adding a little bit of extra adhesive, which I'll show you here in just a minute. If you're interested in the other line of Kiss nails that I really like to use, I have a video linked in the video description. And it's a video I filmed a year ago that is really good on how I put on those other Kiss nails. I wear them all the time. I'm chronically ill, so my nails just refuse to grow. I don't know if it's the medication I'm on or the illness that I have. Whatever it is, they will not grow. So fake Kiss nails is my go-to way to make my hands look great for YouTube videos. So let's put these on together, and let's start out by me showing you what I have in this cute little box right here. They have so many cute holiday nails, which is my favorite reason why I've been using the Impress line of the Kiss nails. They just have so many really good priced nails, and I usually buy them either at Walmart or I get them online at their actual Impress website. That's a good place to find them. Okay, then I also have this piece of paper that I use all the time when I'm putting on nails. That's why it's all grungied up with glue and other things. But it's set up so there's 5 spots here for my left hand, 5 spots here for my right hand. Plus it's a good way to collect any nails that I spill out. I also have over here set up the numbers for some of the other Kiss lines, the Kiss Everlasting line. So this little card I have had for a really long time, and is very handy. So let's take a look. You get them in this little package like this, and in the back of the package are your directions. But you also get a prep pad, a little cuticle stick, and you even get a really quite nice little emery board right here. So I usually tear off this section right here and keep this in my purse. It's very handy to have. And this is really the most helpful tip that they give you in the entire set of instructions right here to help you remember which way the fingernails go on your fingers. So that's really an important tip. Okay, in the box, spill them all out. These are all the fingernails and what they look like. Lots of different sizes. I can usually get 2 full manicures out of one box, which is really fun for me. Makes it so that my investment in one box goes twice as far. Really cool. Okay, but before we get to start figuring all this out and putting these on, I need to do some prep of my fingernails and make them ready. And that involves cleaning up my cuticles and cleaning off any nail polish that I have put on. So let's hit fast forward as I do a little mini manicure here. Okay, I got my fingernails all ready. The cuticles are pushed back and they're feeling as clean as they're going to get. They're in pretty rough shape, so I'm excited to get these fingernails on them because they protect my really frail fingernails below, the natural ones, and keep them secure and safe from the elements and everything. So I'm excited to get these fake nails on. Okay, so in my purse, I kind of keep a little manicure bag, and inside of it is what's left from last week's manicure. So in here I have a little tube of glue left over from a different set of nails, And I also have the nails from last week's manicure. Let me show it to you. How cute these were. These looked like a little sweater to me, a winter sweater. So cute. So what's going to happen to these nails, I'll keep them in this bottle, and then they're ready for another manicure. I'll get another set out of these another day. So in this box I have a whole bunch of nails ready for like Valentine's Day and New Year's. I've got all kinds of nails, plus I have lots of partial sets of nails all organized in old pill bottles. So this goes in here ready for another day. And then I have this extra pill bottle here, and this is where I'm going to put my new little extra nails and all my supplies that I'll have handy with me in my purse. Here we've got some nail polish remover, and this is just in a pump bottle that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. You will need some nail glue, so if you have some left over from another manicure, you can use that, or Kiss does sell some brush-on nail glue that you can pick up. So I've got both of those ready. And you're going to need an emery board. So I've got that ready, and some sort of cotton ball or a cotton round like this one. Okay, the next thing we get to do is plan out which fingernails are going to go on which finger. And that's kind of fun, especially with this set where we've got lots of different colors to pick from. We've got stripes, reds, and greens to figure out here. So I'm going to, again, hit fast forward while I go through and plan out each hand. I like what I have picked here. I've left behind some striped ones for the next set that I put on my hands using these nails. So I kind of want to look ahead and make sure I'm leaving some of the cute fun ones behind. This set is definitely going to be the most festive because this has the cute polka dot with the gingerbread boy. I think that's a really cute little setup, and it's going to be really fun and festive. So let's put the extra fingernails away into the pill bottle now. Okay, next step is to prep your fingernails. Make sure they're really clean, no oils, lotions, or leftover nail polish. Get everything cleaned off so the glues will adhere really good to your natural nail. Okay, then I make sure that I keep this cotton round really wet with nail polish remover and handy in case the glue gets out of control as I'm working. We're going to start on the left hand, on the pinky finger and the ring finger. Those are the two fingers I begin with. Now, like I said, you don't have to add any extra glue to your fingernails if you don't want to. You can just use the adhesive that's on the back of these Kiss and Press nails. I, on the other hand, do like to add a little extra glue. And this little tube here comes from probably a Kiss Everlasting set. But it's lasted me for a really long time, and that's why the end of it is all mucked up with old dry glue, but it's still going. I put a tiny little dot on the end, just like that. And then we're going to take our fingernail and remove the back plastic. Now, these little plastic pieces that come off the back of the nails, they are so full of static and can be a big mess as you're working and can get re-stuck to things that they shouldn't get stuck to. So if you sit it on your wet cotton ball or cotton round, that works great. Okay, how to put it on. I usually hold it at an angle like this and push it up against my cuticle so I know that it is in the right position. And then you want to make sure it's laying down straight and give it a nice push. Okay, and then I usually push and hold for a few seconds to make sure the glue adheres to my natural nail really good. Good, and I wipe away any glue that may have squeezed out. And give it another good squeeze. And that's the first nail. Oh, looks so much better. Okay, let me show you that process again. A tiny drop of glue. Does not take much. Okay, remove the plastic back, just like that. Slide it down against your cuticle, and then lay it down on your natural nail as straight as you can. And pressure. Make sure there's no extra glue. And there's our first two nails. Okay, now I'm going to move over to the right hand and do these two fingers over here. Okay, once you've got these 6 nails done, now we're going to move on to our 2 working fingers. So it's going to get just a little bit trickier, but not too bad. Okay, final thumb here. A little bit of glue. Take off that plastic back. Up against the cuticle and down against my thumb. So much better. Okay, now the glue goes in with the extra nails, and this little bottle goes into my purse. That way, if any of my nails do fall off or have a problem while I'm out from the home, I can repair any issues I have really quick and easy. Okay, last step for these new nails here on my hand is to clean up the edge of the nails. So I'm just going to use an emery board and clean up the edge. This impress line of nails is not the strongest of the Kiss nails, but they last me for about 5 to 7 days. 7 days is pushing it for me, but I can depend on a good 5 days out of these nails, and I'm pretty hard on my nails because I'm doing art with them all the time, so I'm washing my hands a lot. I love the Kiss line of nails. I am not sponsored by them. I just really appreciate them because they last a long time and they are helping my hands look so pretty compared to how they look without the nails on them. I can do them at home really quick and easy, and they always have such fun and cute holiday nails that make my hands look fun in the YouTube videos that I produce here on my channel. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how I do my nails for my channel. Make sure you hit like, and if you'd like to see some of my art here on Coloring Bliss, make sure you subscribe. So I hope you have a good holiday and try out some fun nails for a party or some special event, or just so that you feel extra pretty. That's why I like them. So thanks for watching, thanks for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful, colorful, blissful day. Bye-bye, everybody.